Hello everyone, this is lesson number 27, HSK 2, and chapter number 14, right? And let's start. We have not a lot of words today. So, first one is 电影院. 电 electricity, 影 is like shadow, and so 电影 is a movie, and 院 is some place for some activities. Hospital, for example, 医院, or many different places for something. So this one for films. 电影院 cinema. The cinema is next to the school. 这家电影院在学校旁边. So next to school or near to school also could be. So 旁边 next to, and 家 measure word for businesses. So this also you can say like business. 这家 you can say 这个 also. 这家电影院在学校旁边 so at the school right 在学校旁边 next 这家电影院在学校旁边 Can we go to the cinema to watch a movie? 我们可以去电影院 so we can go 可以去电影院 cinema 看电影 so to watch a movie. So this 电影 for cinema theater or cinema movie theater. 电影院看电影 to watch movie. And more question. 我们可以去电影院看电影吗？Oh, you can say 可不可以 is also okay. There are many people in the cinema on a Saturday. 星期六电影院里人很多。星期六 so 星期 is a week and 六 six so 6th day of a week is Saturday. 星期六电影院 in the movie 电影院里 so in the not movie in a cinema 人 people 很多 a lot of people, but in English in the in the opposite way. There's many people in the cinema on Saturday, but this one is completely different. 星期六电影院里人很多。Next one, 晴 sunny or clear about weather. 晴 so as you can see on the left side it's sun. On the right side just for pronunciation. Today is a sunny day. 今天是晴天 so as you can see this one 今 this one 晴 very nasal sound. 今天是晴天 is 天 the same. Tomorrow will be sunny. Let's go play football. 明天是晴天 so tomorrow is sunny day. 明天是晴天，我们去踢足球吧。我们去 go to 踢 to play to kick. T is to kick. If we say about ball, some ball games that play with a leg. 足球 足 is like foot. 球 is like ball. 足球。明天是晴天，我们去踢足球吧。As you can see, this character 足 on the left side of this character T, because it's also connected with leg, right? Kick. The rain, but in English, it's just to play football. The rain stopped. It's cleared now. It's cleared up. 雨停了 so 停 to stop. 雨停了。天晴了。天 sky 晴 cleared. So why? Because clear up. Because show change of situation. So before it was rain, but now is cleared. So 天晴了 and this lid just you can say stopped. Rain stopped. 雨停了。天晴了。停晴 right? Next one 有意思 interesting or enjoyable. So, but 意思 is like meaning. So this 有意思 have a meaning, but this have a meaning in Chinese means interesting. Is a bit different. Interesting, fascinating, 有意思. If you want to say this is meaningful, you can say another word 有意义. Another instead of 是 we have another character. But this one, let's see. This book is very interesting. 这本书非常有意思。这本书 so 本 measure word for 书 for book. 我是这个这本书非常有意思 is very interesting. 非常有意思，有意思。I think next one. I think this movie is not interesting. 我觉得 so here's 觉得 sometimes is like feel, but here's as a think. So 我觉得 I think I consider 这个电影 so this movie 这个电影没意思 not interesting. Or you can say 没有意思 like here 没有意思 or sometimes just omitted 没意思。我觉得这个电影没意思，没意思。Learning Chinese is an interesting thing. 学习汉语，学习 to study 汉语 Chinese language 是一件有意思的事情。So 件 measure word for things. You can say 一个 or 一件有意思的 interesting 事情。Thing matter. You can also say just 是 is also good. 有意思的事 is okay. 学习汉语是一件有意思的事情，有意思的事情。对。Next one, 但是 but yet sometimes you just we can see done. I really want to go, but I don't have time. 我很想去。So this change to the second. 我很想去，我很想去，但是没有时间。But there is no time. I don't have time. 但是没有时间。我很想去，但是没有时间。This watermelon is big, but not sweet. 这个西瓜很大。So this watermelon 西瓜很大 is very big. 但是just big. 但是不甜，不甜 not sweet 不甜。这个西瓜很大，但是不甜。Also, he is a foreigner. He speaks Chinese very well. 虽然他是外国人 also or even if 他是外国人 so Y is outside 国 country so outside country or foreign and 人 person 外国人但是汉语说得很好 but Chinese in English we say it speaks Chinese but in Chinese speaks very good 汉语说得很好虽然他是外国人但是汉语说得很好。Next one, 虽然 also even so, even if. Also, the weather is cold, he's still running. 虽然天气很冷，虽然 even if 天气 weather 很冷 is cold or very cold，但是but or still so but here's like I say 但是 but and he still high so this high is from still 他还在跑步 running so in English we don't have translation for 但是 just directly for high still also it was called he was still running so as you can see this you can also say without 但是他还跑步 but 但是 is you can also put but he's still running is also you can say 虽然天气很冷但是他还在跑步 Also, this piece of clothing is cheap. It is beautiful. 虽然这件衣服很便宜 So even if this clothes 这件衣服这个衣服这件衣服很便宜 is very cheap， 但是很漂亮 but very beautiful 很漂亮。虽然这件衣服很便宜，但是很漂亮。Also, I don't know him, or even if I don't know him, I know his name. 虽然我不认识他 so I don't know him in person. 我不认识，认识 to know a person. 我不认识他，但是我知道 I know 知道他的名字 his name 他的名字。虽然我不认识他，但是我知道他的名字 name。 Next one 次 time a major word for action or just time. Let's see. I have been to Beijing 3 times. So this 次 is for time. 我去过3次北京。Also, 我去过北京3次 is also okay. 过手 aspect particle indicating past experience. So it means just present perfect. So I have been somewhere. I did something. 我去 You can say 我去了北京 but 我去了 is just show maybe last just like past simple. But 去过 is like present perfect. 我去过3次 3 times 北京 China or Beijing, but as you can see, to Beijing. But in English, in Chinese we just say 3 times Beijing. 我去过3次北京 or even there is no 3次 you can say 我去过北京 also you don't need any to something like this one. Take this medicine 3 times a day. 这个药一天吃3次 so 药 medicine 药 so 这个药 this medicine 一天 one day 吃 it 3次 3 times 3次这个药一天吃3次 This is my first time eating lamb mutton 这是我第一次吃羊肉 so 这是我第一次 the first time 第一次the first 次 time 第一次吃 eat 羊肉 so 羊 is a lamb and raw meat lamb meat is mutton but no a 羊 is a sheep and 羊肉 is mutton lamb 这是我第一次吃羊肉 Next one, 玩 to play, to amuse oneself. So it could be play games or just hang out in the city, just hang around somewhere. He's playing in a room. 他在房间里玩 This 玩 or 玩 is also possible, just North pronunciation. 他在房间 in a room, 在房间里 inside this room. 玩 playing 玩，他在房间里玩。So as you can see, if we have a this one R instead of one, we read it war, but we still write n, but you don't pronounce it war. Where do you want? Oh, like here nar, you don't. Here is okay. Where do you want to go to play or hang out? 你想去哪儿玩？So 你想去 you want to go 哪儿 where 玩 to play. So 你想去哪儿玩？哇，a lot of. Or you can say 你想去哪里玩 is also okay. Stop playing on your phone. Go to sleep quickly. 别玩手机了，快睡觉。别 so don't stop 玩手机 play phone 别玩手机了 and this letter works together with 别 stop don't do something 快睡觉 so fast 睡觉 to sleep 快睡觉 but in English go to sleep quickly but here just 快睡觉 quickly fast go to sleep now sleep 别玩手机了快睡觉 and last one by 100 by be careful for 白色 white color is also by but another tone it's by second tone and it doesn't have this vertical line on the top of this character. This book cost 100 yuan. 这本书要100块钱. So 这本书 this book 要 so 要 it's like need or here is or you can say you need to pay for this 100 or just costs sometimes. 成本 so this is more official and more cost. Well, it's more official, but 要 is also you can use. 这本书要100 100块 is like yuan. You can say 100元 or 100块 and 钱 is money. 100块钱 100 piece of money you can say, but sometimes we don't use 钱 just usually 100块 100 yuan. 这本书要100块钱 but is also okay, also correct. We need to learn 500 Chinese characters. 我们要学 so we need to learn 要学500 500个汉字 Chinese characters. 我们要学500个汉字 Even if they give you 1,000,000, don't go. 即使 so even if 即使给你100万 100万 one so this one is a bit advanced. 1 is 10,000. Its Chinese measure system is a bit different from European. 1 is 10,000. By is 100. So you need to multiply 100 and 10,000, and it's 10,000 by 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. So 110,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Right, it's just 1 million. You just to this 10,000 give 2 zeros from this 100. So 即使给你100万 1 million, 你也不要去 You also don't need to go. 也不要去 or don't go. 不要去。即使给你100万，你也不要去。不要去。And let's repeat what we learned today. 电影院 cinema 电影院景 sunny or clear 景有意思 interesting or enjoyable 有意思但是 but yet 但是虽然 also even though 虽然次 time measure word for action but it's for a bit advanced just use for time is okay 这次 this time 那次 that time 玩 to play or to have a good time in the city also can say 玩 one also once but usually one 游戏 play games and by 100 by in the next lesson we will practice our dialects and see you